Hi, this is Eva from Wudkwency Artistry. We've created a simple DIY project of wooden serving tray and named it as a Elevate Serve Tray. This simple design is perfect for both functional use and stylish decor. This tray features clean lines and a raised design for added elegance. You can download the free PDF pattern for Scrollsaw cutting and DXF file for CNC or laser cutting. The download link is available in the description. The tray's elevated design adds a touch of sophistication to any setting. Ideal for serving food and beverages as well as for decorative purposes. Simple construction makes it a great project for beginners and experienced woodworkers alike. Its compact size and sleek design make it easy to store when not in use. You can personalize it with different finishes or paint to match your home decor.
If you like this pattern, then hit the like button and join us to stay updated about the new content. Thanks for watching.